In this video I'm going to show you how to manage App Store location access on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit, go to the App Store, just tap on that one, and then you want to go to the location. So here, allow location access for App Store, and you can choose never, ask next time or when I share, or while using the app. So I prefer to have it on never because why App Store should have my location, so I just click never. So this is it. This is how you can manage those. If you want to have ask next time or when I share, or while using the app, just click on it, and if you have a tick, you can. This is what it means that you have set. Also, you can turn on the precise location on turn off. It depends on you. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.